Hey, it's Mike Thomas here. You probably know me as Mike from Maine. Really quick, my partner Brett Rutecki and myself are going to be doing a really special workshop on Sunday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Now, why should you show up to that? Well, we're going to be revealing the exact software that Brett Rutecki has used to replace his really expensive autoresponder and has used to send over $59,000 in affiliate commissions to his own pocket. Now, this is something, again, that he built for his business, and now we are going to be releasing to this to the world. If you want to learn more about this, if you want to see inside, we're going to be opening up all his accounts, showing all of our proof, so you guys know without a doubt that this is the real thing, and you're going to be able to ask questions and make sure that you are able to get in on this at his absolute lowest price. So make sure that you go ahead and put your email in below. That will sign you up for the pre-launch webinar. That's going to be again at 9 a.m. Eastern Time on Sunday, April 8th. You want to make sure that you get there early, as we'll have thousands of people sign up for this, and there are only 1,000 spots that we can actually have people on the call due to the way that GoToWebinar works. We wish we could have more, but that's the way it works there. So make sure that you get there at least 15 minutes early to get your spot on that call. But again, put your email in below, and we will see you on Sunday at 9 a.m. Eastern. Look forward to seeing you there. Thanks.